What's up, yo? Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, for today's video, I'm gonna show you my speech entitled The Song of Courage. So, you may be guys wondering kung ano yung nilalaman ng speech ko. So, this speech is, I dedicated this one to my little brother who's actually a special child because wala naman kwenta yung buhay ko. That's why, i-dedicate ko na lang sa kanya. So, this speech is actually matagal na siya. Actually, last month pa kasi our oral com teacher said na gumawa nga kami ng speech kasi mag-perform kami. Tapos na kami mag-perform. Where yung naka-formal attire ako. May video pero hindi ko na-save. That's why I'm filming myself right here now kasi baka makalimutan ko. Edi sayang naman yung effort ko, 'di ba? So, i-film ko na yung sarili ko para in the future, manood ko to na ito yung ginawa kong speech, 'di ba? So, ano yung sinabi ko na tama? So, let's start. Ay, hindi, wait lang. Itong speech ko pa pala, guys, it is called multilingualismo. Kasi, there are 4 languages na kinumbine ko dito sa speech ko. Which is, the first one, of course, is the English one. The Chinese, and Korean, and Spanish is the last one. Pero mostly talaga yung English tsaka yung Spanish. So, hindi ko na masyadong yung naaalala, pero try ko lang din naman. So, okay, let's start. Ito na. Buenas tardes a todos aquí presentes. Soy Shaina Arcos. Hoy voy a presentar mi discurso entitled La Canción del Coraje. In English, The Song of Courage, which I dedicated to my little hermano. So, damas y caballeros, let me tell you about my hermano. He struggles to read, words on page twist and confuse him. He cannot write the way others do, or kumuyo. To some, this makes him different. To those who don't understand, it's a reason to laugh, to point, to call him names. Pero permítanme decir que la escuela es extraordinario. He has a voice that can melt hearts and a talent that shines brighter than any bull's cruelly. Cada day, he faces challenges. People max the way he talks, the way he moves, the way he sees the world. Pero nuestra familia, we stand beside him like a wall. We fight for him. We remind him in the world that he is love, that he matters. And when he sings, oh, cuando cuenta, everything changed. His voice rises clear and strong, como la luz del sol and bridges past into las nubes de tormenta. It's not just a song, it's a triumph. Those bullies see only what he can't do, pero nosotros vimos lo que se puede hacer. He fills our home with laughter. He turns extraños into amigos with his música. When he performs, people don't see his struggles. They see his joy, his courage, his gift. For cada persona who tries to tear him down, there are 10 more who cheer him on who say, Chayo, women siyang shini. My Opa teaches us something important. Your worth isn't defined by your weakness. It is defined by the love you share, the joy you create, and the courage to keep on going when the world says Hajima. So let me ask you, when you see someone struggling, will you be the one who max or the one who lifts them up? Be the light, be the hope, be the voice that says, Nyalboga sa'yo, Nyansu Jong He. In English, I see you, you matter. My Hermano song is a reminder. No matter how hard life gets, love is stronger than fear. Ahora salgo no hay cantin, su propesía canción. Canción. Agora se de que el mundo la escuche. Una vez más, soy Shaina Arcus, your speaker. Sa estudio pura hura. Welcome sa mida. Sabag, di mo kaya yun. Mali-mali pa yun, guys. Nakalimutan ko na yung iba kasi. Pero, di ba okay na naman. So, yun lang. Actually, hindi naman sa may pagmamayabang ha. Pero, yung speech ko, yung parang, ang tawag nito, yung parang pinuri ng teachers ko kasi, alam niyo ba guys, ganito, 'di ba? 'Di ba ganyan ako, tapos nag-speech ako do'n. Yung 'pag nagsasalita ako do'n, tapos sila, alam mo, hindi ako tumitingin sa mata nila kasi nga, I'm freaking nervous that time. So, nagtitingin lang ako, pero ang tingin ko nasa wall, ganyan-ganyan ako. Tapos grabe yung acting. Hindi naman masyado sa chill lang ako do'n. Kasi yung ibang kaklase, alam mo, grabe, grabe yung ano nila, yung grabe yung energy to the point na ang pangit na yung speech nila. God. So, habang nag-speech ako, sobrang quiet nila, as in nakikinig lang talaga sila sa akin. And then, nung pagtapos ko na ng mag-speech ko, grabe yung palakpakan nila, as in, ganyan yung palakpakan nila, be. Even yung mga teachers ko, malamang magpapalakpak sila kasi, tapos, ang nahiya talaga ako ng big kasi ang dami nanonood, even, kasi grade 11, di ba, yung mga klase ko, tapos may mga grade 12 pa nanonood. So, successful naman. Tapos, nagulat talaga ako kasi grabe yung talaga yung ano nila sa akin, yung support. Tapos, parang amis na amis sila. Tapos, nung nag-announce na yung si teacher namin, of course, yung oral com teacher namin, sabi niya na, there are some nga daw na nagpakitang gilas. Sabi, tas na-mention ako yung na-mention na. Sabi niya, especially nga daw, ay, ba't ako nagbibisaya? Especially daw, si Shaina. Of course, that's me. And so I was like, sobrang feeling. Pero, yun, sobrang saya ko kasi I made it. Akala ko nga, yung mga klasiko, ang gaganda ng speech kasi nga matatalino sila. Of course, yung section namin is, andun lahat nung parang, yung mga magagaling. Okay naman yung speech nila, pero akin daw yung pinakamaganda. So, yun lang. Yun lang naman yun. So, ay, wala akong pakialam pala guys if you watch this video or not kasi I'm only taking this video kasi gusto ko siya panoorin in the future. Of course. Tingnan mo yung itsura ko dyan. So, sa future self ko dyan, hi. That's all. Bye! Bye!